In this video, I will show you how you can sync the apps from your iPhone to your iPad. Now to do that, first of all, just make sure that you're signed into with the same Apple ID on both devices. After you've done that, now on your iPhone, just go to Settings, and after that, just tap on the Apple ID. Now just scroll down and tap on iCloud, and from here, just tap on Save to iCloud. Now on this page, just look for the apps which you want to sync with your iPad. For example, if you want to sync the WhatsApp or the Messenger, just enable the toggle for WhatsApp or Messenger from here. Now after you've enabled the toggle for the apps which you want to sync with your iPad, now just do the same on your iPad. Just go to Settings, then tap on the Apple ID. From here, just tap on iCloud, then tap on Save to iCloud. And from here, just do the same on your iPad. For example, if you're unable to find the apps from your iPhone on your iPad, just make sure you install the app first on your iPad. Just go to the App Store and search the name of the app which you want to sync. For example, I will search WhatsApp, and just make sure you install WhatsApp or any of your preferred app on your iPad. After you install the app, then enable the toggle for that specific app from here. Now if you want the apps which you install on your iPhone to be automatically installed on your iPad, so for that, on your iPhone, just go back, and in the main settings page, just tap on Apps. From this app list, just tap on the App Store, and over here you will find the option for app downloads. Now just enable this toggle, and after that, just do the same on your iPad. And by doing that, all the apps which you will install on your iPhone will be automatically installed on your iPad. Now just go to the Apps section, and from here just tap on App Store. Now just enable the toggle for app downloads. And after you've done that, all the apps which you will download on your iPhone will be automatically downloaded on your iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.